Hello and welcome to Data Engineering with Superdip. Today, we're diving deep into the fastest way to load data into Google BigQuery using Python, the BigQuery Storage Write API. Let's get started. First, let's understand the problem. Traditional methods like BigQuery load jobs are great for batch processing, but not for streaming. On the other hand, libraries like pandas-gbq, which use the older streaming insert API, are easy to use but become a major bottleneck when you need to ingest thousands of rows per second. The solution is the BigQuery Storage Write API. It's a modern API designed specifically for high-throughput data ingestion. It achieves this speed by using gRPC streaming with a binary protobuf format, which is far more efficient than traditional REST APIs. It also provides exactly once delivery guarantees to prevent data duplication. Before we write any code, let's set up our environment. You'll need to install three main libraries: Google Cloud, BigQuery Storage, which is the client for the API, Pandas for handling our data, and PyArrow, which the client library uses under the hood for efficient data serialization. Now for the code. The first step is to initialize the BigQuery Write client. Then, we define the full path to our target table. A key concept here is the write stream. We create a committed type stream, which means data becomes visible immediately after it's successfully written. This establishes a persistent connection to our BigQuery table. Next, we prepare the data. Here, we have a sample pandas data frame. The most important part is converting this data frame into a protobuf request. The client library provides helpers to serialize the data and its schema. We then package this serialized data into an append rows request, specify our stream name, and send it to BigQuery. To achieve maximum performance, you must batch your data. Instead of sending one request per row, group thousands of rows into a single append rows request. This dramatically reduces the number of network calls. Notice the offset parameter. By setting it, you enable BigQuery to handle retries and prevent duplicate writes, ensuring exactly once delivery. Another critical best practice is schema alignment. The schema of the data you are sending, meaning the column names, their data types, and their order, must perfectly match the schema of your destination table in BigQuery. Even a small difference, like a mismatched data type or a different column order, will cause the write to fail. So how much faster is it? The difference is staggering. While pandas-gbq relies on the older, slower HTTP and JSON-based API, the Storage Write API uses the much more efficient gRPC and protobuf. In a typical scenario, ingesting 1 million rows could take 15 minutes with pandas-gbq, but less than a minute with the Storage Write API. The throughput is an order of magnitude higher. To summarize, choosing the right tool is key. Use the Storage Write API when performance is paramount, for high-volume streaming, frequent large ingestion jobs, and when data integrity with exactly once semantics is a must. Stick with traditional load jobs or pandas-gbq for simpler, smaller, ad hoc tasks where setup speed and simplicity are more important than raw ingestion performance. And that's a wrap on high-throughput ingestion with the BigQuery Storage Write API and Python. You now have the tools to build incredibly fast and robust data pipelines. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.